So I won't done it with my home. I have to tell them the reality of life. All those gay governor and officials, people that not belong to our land, that try to say that their power will be castigate and will be overcome our land. And God will punish their generation. And God now go punish their generation. They go sleep, they don't go wake up. They go sleep, they don't go wake up. Believe me. All those evil people. God will not persecute. You go nowhere, you go nowhere. Just the period your mouth there. This your so-called idiot Adezi. She's a lawyer to Adezi, a mountain. Adezi, you are a disgrace to. Thank God where you are not from Benin. That is why we continue to say that Obaseki used foreigner to occupy our land. Can you imagine Adezi, Wanta? You say me the remove Oshomule, God will punish you. Now who you give food, who you take care of for your own life, you can't be somebody. Now you go carry knife, stab your chest, you die. Adezi. You will go to talk for channel television with Sheung. You will go to talk for channel television with Sheung Okimbaloye. You say me they remove Oshomule, she step aside. Thank God, you see the woman, the other woman, the HAPC chapter from Abuja. See the way we take the grace, you know. Obaseki, I promise you, anywhere you there, after your power have ended, that is, you will know. We know the school where you want to go again. Obaseki, do you know the school when you will attend again? School of how to respect header. School of how to know where you came from. School of how to put things in the order when your people need it. No school that you go or 419 how to bring people to the place who doesn't belong to them, so that they can rate whatever they want to rate. Adezi, you are a disgrace to the APC. You are a disgrace to the entire APC. Thank God you are not from Benin, and you can never be a Benin man. You understand? Who is using you now is Godwin Obaseki. Godwin Obaseki is Igbo man, and you tell is Igbo man. Adezi, you that just come to speak those useless attitude, right? You are nothing, you are but nothing. You don't see your face, make I show your face. When you see and say you'll be nothing, God punish your generation, God punish you and Obaseki. See your face. You see your face, see your name. See me they remove Oshomule. You go feel remove Oshomule. See you don't see this evil man here. See this idiot. Barbarian Obaseki game group. Adezi, and God will punish your generation. Adezi, you will never know peace. Somebody that you call for, it will bring bigger stab knife and will stab you on back. They should remove Oshomule. They should remove Oshomule. They should step aside. They have suspended in Edo State. Who suspend Oshomule? Obaseki get level. Can a state suspend a national? Evil people. See the idiot when they say me they remove Oshomule. You don't talk. You want to talk. You say, all the election when it happen for Bayelsa and when it happen for this. You say, nah, this man ain't concerned. And this lawyer when you say you be well, Obaseki they carry Edo money they give, now go kill you and your generation. At this lawyer when you say you be well, Obaseki they carry our Edo money they give because say you be lawyer. And that lawyer, you go sleep, you don't go wake up. our ancestors of that Edo land, it will put you for sleep. You go sleep, you will never know peace for your life. Adezi, you will never know what will peace for your life. God punish your generation. Evil people. May they remove Oshomule. Now Oshomule and I cost Bayasa. Now Oshomule and I cost Sokoto. Because na one run, na be candidates. Abi, not being be candidates. Evil people. God punish you. Yes, for you, you not get level. Now your governor and they come for this money. Your gang governor. Your gang governor near board is saying laugh at the fed. We know profit on them. That your gang governor. God punish your generation at this. May they come on to Shomule. May Oshomule step aside. Look at the people when they say me Oshomule step aside. These e-best Eritreans. When I carry Edo money finish now, they carry Edo weight on they carry Edo resources. Obaseki when business may not be Edo, you don't use Edo resources, bless all of now finish. All the Edos they suffer. All the Edos they suffer. You don't see Edos footballers. They are crying on the street. God punish your generation, this man. Adezi, Emanta, and God will punish your generation. You will never know peace. Oshomule will be there. You will come out for the party. Go and look for your pure water party. The way Obaseki will do. The same thing will happen to Obaseki. Obaseki, Oshomule will be 2 times chairman. He will still run as he runners for state governor. 2 times state governor. You get no level. God punish your generation at Daisy. Evil game people. See the people where they come to talk for Edo. Look, see. When I see the people who come to talk for Edo, Igbo man, God will punish your generation. And God will punish you. Will never know peace. Your generation will never know peace. This morning, you see the time when I take Lagos for you now. This early morning, 6 o'clock, I'm going to work. You will never know peace. If Oshomule fight your papa, fight your mama. He beat your papa, beat your mama. And you go get peace. If you not beat your mama, now all Baseki, when we say, now him bring and come. Now he say he not go use them again because it's not good. Now I begin use anything by all means when I take bring that man down. And God go bring on a plan down. As they bring him down. Now you know see my video always they go to say who they tire, who they tire, who they lose them, who they lose them. You understand? Una when we say that una go pack those useless all those underage, may they go protest, say Oshomule must go. About carry small boy come and that one begin the insult Adam Aliyu Oshomule, APC national chairman for Edo State. For Abuja, they gather underage for them to protest against governor, comrade. But you now remember, say, who go to tie go to tie who go to lose them, Believe me, Obaseki, you get no level. Those our ladies from Abuja, from Lagos, from Port Harcourt, when we say they do protest, Oshomule must remain. He remain Osho Baba forever until the party finish. Believe me, Osho Baba remain Osho Baba. You understand? Osho Baba, he remain Osho Baba. You have nothing to do. You have nothing to say. Continue spending our money. Okay? Continue using Edo money to make sure say, man, you want to fill your pocket. But you cannot. You cannot use Edo money to bring Edo man down. You cannot. Wait in a guy. Shomule, he don't bless as a blessed man for the Yo's party. Obaseki, Oshomule and I bring you to the game. You get no level. Gay government, you get no level. Carry your barbarian, carry your stupidity, carry your wewerican, carry your game, everything back to Lagos. You understand? See all of them, where they your regime, where they your government. Oh, God, we want to do festival. When we say Osaze rotate day prison today, the confusion come. Anything concerning Edo, God will must bring confusion come. He must call the people, say they be greedy people, or they are all tips. Festival, Edo festival come. Even the people when they invite, when I hear us, now so our pastor talk at that time say, even some Emir of Sokoto, some people when they invite our guests, they don't come, but Edo never prepare. The same thing with our footballers now. Edo, waiting make Godwin go host. When I ask Godwin, waiting make can go host. Now people when in host and they still there outside the street, they dance pamurege for street. They dance pamurege for street. People when they say they made the host. Waiting make Godwin go host to Mona ask Godwin this evil Godwin Obaseki. Mona ask him waiting make him go host. Edo festival come a problem. Godwin not release money. He call all the elders. He call all they say they are all thieves. Last, who can be thief? Who can be thief where ancestors give the grace? Who can be thief where ancestors give the grace? Osazero, when you still carry our traditional ruler come and say, come and talk like this. The same thing will still happen to you, this minister of sports. Because why? Anything concerning Edo, any money where they want to help Edo people, any money where they want to carry Edo liberation forward, or any money where they want to bring improvement to Edo, Obaseki must sit down, put. He go hold on strong. Because why? That land, no, his papa not from that land, his mama not from that land, his family not from that land. If his family from that land, can Obaseki leave our people on the street when we say, man, you host football match? Eh? You are the one that hosts. You are the one that hosts. For your useless hosting, you still leave our people. You leave them for camp. You give them to 200 naira made they take the shop. When we say, man, all the state will be say, man, when I host to the state will be say, they come, when they come play the tournament. All of them already, they don't sit down gidigba. Tomorrow they go say, I don't go anywhere for the game. Ukosana, Godwin Obaseki. But if they carry big money to the fight, our father, what we know say, now he bring out to this power. So when he reach Edo things, it go be problem. When he reach for make it do things for Edo, now he go to renovate. Do things for Edo, may we know say now your name, now do this thing. He go to renovate. Now renovate, now they renovate. Our national festival come. A problem. Godwin not release money. Talk come pass. Too much talk. Different talk come out. It can't even resolve to media. Now this is another one again. Sports. When we say Edo festival sport, when you host, now you host them. Feed will not be your own. When you go renovate, the big gidigba over there. Now you will host them now. Our people, when we say they suppose they come take before the outsider come, they see the streets, they dance by Muregbe Godwin. Because why? Anything that concern that will carry Edo forward, you not get time. You be evil, demon. That your papa, that evil gay at days you can't come out, go channel television. The tell you say Adam Aliyo Osomule must leave. Adam, he remain papa forever. He remain papa for that party. Until regime just say, hey, my regime finish. When Oyegu was there, are there no APC? They didn't know APC now. When Oyegu was there now, God punish you. May they remove Adam, may they sack Adam. God punish you. Or the way all of Nate plan that plan. He go die for una stomach. Obaseki, you don't remember small, may you die now. Because why? They say, Benin the user make parable say, if you try, press may you kill your enemy. If God say not be your enemy, now you the oppressor, you go die. That enemy you go live. Also now we are to agbo we want aleleri. God do it. That your enemy will live because he is not offend you. Osomule doesn't offend you. You are the one that offend Osomule. Osomule doesn't beg you. You are the one that beg Osomule. Osomule didn't give you what we call advice of Papa. You are the one that say, Papa will be the governor. Don't worry. And make sure, say, man, all what you say that we do it. Now you can't come out. Now you can't begin the talk. year and year, the name of say, our papa say, you're not capable again to be the second term. Now you can't begin, they do everything by all means. May you take a motor and you carry a days ago channel television. You say make it go talk. A days and God go punish your generation this morning, this early morning, you will never know peace. A days, right from the day you walk to channel television and talk to the world that Adam Aliyu Oshiomhole should be sacked. Right from that day, you will never know peace for your life again. You will never know peace for your life again. Your life, it will miserable the way of Godwin Obaseki useless. Because Godwin Obaseki life does useless. He not born picking for Edo people. He not get investment when we say he don't take when they exist for Edo people. He not get say if Godwin, if he come up for Benin and say me that take you now and they remember and he not there. But Adam don't build 5-star hospital. He don't build what we call university, even though now in your town I build and put now Edo people. I go still get power. Now Edo land, now build and south, now build them. Now you they say you they go the wrong for water storm project now. Adam now design that place where you they check now. Now Adam now design that place for grant. Godwin, waiting you don't do for Edo renovation, evil Godwin. Leave our people. You are the one that will leave the party. You are the one that will leave Edo people. Not comrades. Comrade is comrades. Comrade is comrades. Never. You can never change it. You can never change it, Godwin. You can never change it. This morning, I just want to make I give you small because why? See me. Because why? I know they hide myself. You see me? This is Voice of Justice Entertainment. God punish your generation, Godwin. Evil doer. Evil doer. You carry your daisy and want to make it go channel television, make it go tell show, say, make it go tell the world, make they remove Adam Aliyu. Adam is going nowhere. Because why? Godwin. Adam de chema, Adam no de chema. No be only Edo put am. That is why you they spend all our money to all the about 36 states, make you feel remove Adam. Never. Not be only Edo, now he put Adam for power. Even if you look the power when he did that Nigeria, when BC may give Adam power, and the Northerners, and the Yorubas. Igbo not even, you don't see wicked, they make a basket man there. Because why? Innocent. You understand? You're alone, they're doing, as a Southeast governor, at the, inside there, so, na PDP. You understand? That is why you see wicked, all those basket man war they come out for a month. But make you remember, say, man, no matter what he states, he not get better development. Wicked governor, wicked. Your state not get better development. We only sell and say, man, now math, now wicked, they math, basket man, blah, 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 blah. It's a bit things, but do things for your people. As we talk now, I believe that place when you for be governor, that river state as a wicked, you still, people are still suffering and smelly. It's still happening there, wicked. You just come and say rubbish. Wicked, you free. All governor, when we say wrong governor for Nigeria, Governor Wike, you don't free. You don't free. There is big skeleton under your cupboard. Big skeleton under your cupboard, Governor Wike. Face your own. Politics and talk your own, make I talk. Do your thing, make I do. Oshiomhole is not a PDP. Leave PDP alone. If you want to carry Obaseki, go PDP. We don't need Obaseki. That is why we say carry and go PDP. Because why? People when we say that they oppress people like that, and then they go pull them like they not be them. You don't see people who don't kill it though. Look Danobi is not from Benin. Look Godwin Obaseki is not from Benin. Look Odige or look Onyegu is not from Benin. Look the chief of staff Kayode of Obaseki is not from Benin. Look this idiot Adeze that go to channel television is not from Benin. Oh, be from Benin. We be say man, he go talk one word, we go respect him. That is why we go tell you now say, comrades, Adam Osho number 1, he remain the national chairman. And 2, another thing again, get time for me say man, Osage is a yamu all the way. We flog that idiot. We flog him. That motherfucker that call himself also call Adezi that just go to television. Bros, Obaseki underage, now they do protest. May they remove Godwin. Yeah, so may they remove our comrade. But you don't see people who do protest. Say, man, our comrade must stay. Papa, mama. Even they protest against underage what Obaseki they use. God punish you people, evil doer people. We are coming for you people. What is the May coming? Obaseki, do no get road for APC come this 2020. No road for you, idiots.